Hey guys, welcome back. Now, I'm going to show you my fireworks. Oh, here, they're right there. But the first one we got is going to be 24 canister shells right here. We can't light them off right now, but maybe later we'll light this one off, which I believe we should light all of them off because we have already lighted some of them. So next up is I'm not allowed to like stab it and open all of them and shit. I have to show you other the people. So the first two we have is festival balls and Pyramid actual shell. Then we have a guarded and spearing. Then we have like this little bullet thing. And then I'll just show you. Okay. So now you can get a better look at them. And next up we have the cakes. There's one. Can't wait to blow all of these off. Next up we have 300 bullets right here, and another part of it. 300 bullets. Then we have this stuff, super dark stuff. And bye, you guys.